లైవ్ లో చూసాం ఆర్థిక బలహీన వర్గాల బిల్లుపై రాజ్యసభలో చర్చ జరుగుతోంది ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు
प्लीज
इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आखिरी मोमेंट में अगर आप इस तरह की बिल लाएंगे
मैं अलाउ माननीय जया जी मैं अलाउ कर रहा हूं टाइम की समस्या मैंने आप सबके सामने बताई जो हाउस ने तय किया था 8 घंटे मैं उसके तहत रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं प्लीज कंक्लूड Please.
Sir, this government,
Please.
sir,
Please.
this government can bring
Please.
this bill overnight, saying that it's an election promise, but they will
I
not
am
be-
following
they
the
will not
norms which has been decided by all of you.
50%
Please.
reservation for women, and
Please.
it's so few women
Please
here,
come on the
and
points
among
and
the few
conclude.
women speaking on this bill,
Please
and you do
come on
not
the
want
points
me
and
to speak.
conclude. Please come on the points.
Sir, when our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru moved the first amendment to the Constitution to provide reservation for socially and educationally backward classes, he deliberately denied to include the word economically in the amendment. Sir, today you say 10% reservation for the economically depressed classes. I'd like to know where you got this number of 10%. Has any research gone into it?
Of course not.
Has any study gone into it?
No.
When the DMK government in Tamil Nadu brought reservations, we had the Amba Shankar Commission, we had the first Satyanathan Commission was brought into place. After scientific study, detailed study, then the reservations were brought in. The same thing happened with the Mandal Commission. But today, you're bringing a number saying it's 10%. But how do you justify that number? And have you done any study that this number is going to help these people? They help the economically depressed classes. The numbers you're saying 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs actually covers nearly 97% of the population.
Yes.
And the government is not saying any numbers, but we are reading it in newspapers every day that 8 lakhs is the ceiling. And 5 acres of land. 5 acres of land where? And how can economics be a basis? You've destroyed so many small-scale industries. Entire Tirupur and Tamil Nadu is destroyed because you brought the GST without consideration and your demonetization policies.
DHL ancillary.
So, how can you even fix economics as a criteria, as a base for reservation? It keeps varying. And you know this government's policy when it comes to agriculture. There's an agrarian crisis. You see how many farmers committed suicide. There was a big rally. The government didn't pay heed to it. Our farmers from Tamil Nadu were here for months together to meet the Prime Minister. He did not find time. Nobody even bothered. Nobody even listened. They're struggling even today.
Yes.
And the kind of humiliation they went through in Delhi. And you want to talk about the land holdings. What do they get? Even if they have 5 acres of land, what do they get? Nothing. The only future the farmers in this country have is death. They're only looking at suicide. The Kaveri belt is dry. And you want to extract methane. And how do you fix economic criteria for reservation? Sir, you have to understand that the judgment already has said, unless there is an extraordinary situation, you cannot pass a reservation, you cannot bring a bill to amend and increase reservation. What is the urgency? What is the extraordinary situation? The only thing I see is in 100 days we have elections.
Yes. मैडम अगेन आपको जो समय था उससे दोगुना आप बोल चुकी हैं.
Sir, can you speak in a language I can understand, sir?
You have the time which was allocated to you. You have taken double of that. So please conclude now. Please.
Yes, sir, but we are not given opportunities.
Please conclude.
I'm talking on behalf of.
No, we support you.
I'm talking on behalf of millions and millions of people
माननीय
who
आनंद
feel
जी,
deprived.
माननीय आनंद जी,
For
जो समय आप
centuries.
लोगों ने तय किया 8 घंटे का, उसके तहत मैं कह रहा हूं। मैं पुनः रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज जो समय तय था उसका दोगुना समय मैंने दिया। आप मेरी सीमा और बंधन भी ध्यान रखें तो मुझे
Sir.
प्लीज आप कहें।
Employment opportunities in the central government employment, until now, it is very clear that there is injustice toward the backward classes and the SCs and STs. More than so many years have passed, only 17%. There's been reservation in Group A services, 14% in Group B services, 11% in Group C services, 10% in Group D services. You cannot even implement this. Are you going? You first, it's already there. Please implement that. Then take the next step. What is the point in painting new dreams?
Please conclude now. Please conclude. Please conclude.
Sir, and yesterday, the Honorable Finance Minister, when he was speaking in the other house, he said very clearly that once both the houses of the parliament pass this bill, it does not have to be sent to the states. He is one of the best legal brains in the country. I respect him a lot, but
Please, Kanni Modi ji, please address your chair.
Politics, I don't want to get into that.
Please address the
Yes,
chair.
sir.
Please address your and conclude. And conclude.
Sir, he has said that, but is it right? This is a how can you say that it will not affect states? It affects states. It affects every single state in this country.
Law Minister's answering.
And how can, and it violates the spirit of the
Please
cooperative
conclude,
federalism
please conclude.
enshrined in the Constitution. It goes against the grain of
It's
it.
already
And how
13
can you
minutes
say you
instead
will
of
not
5
send
minutes?
it and
Please
our
conclude.
opinion
Please
is not
conclude.
important.
Please conclude
Sir,
now.
with this, I say that this bill has to be sent to the select committee, and you are already bringing in, and